Alright, so taking a drive in the Fiero. Today is November 8th and it is currently about 65 degrees outside. So if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave me a thumbs up. I'm gonna try and do some more videos with this car next year, maybe like if I go to any kind of car shows or anything with the Cobalt, possibly we would bring the Fiero too. So definitely leave a thumbs up, and I hope you guys can see out okay. It should be all right. I'm just going for a quick drive. And I'm not gonna need that very much. So yeah, this thing, it's weird driving this versus driving the Cobalt. Like once I've been in the Cobalt for a long time, it's really weird to come back and drive this, just because the technology is so different in this versus the Cobalt. It's pretty crazy. But just going for a quick drive, and this is probably the last video with the Fiero for this year, and it's just crazy because the weather's been so nice. Like yesterday, today. Ooh, look, here's a Corvette. Yesterday, today, and then tomorrow and Tuesday are all supposed to be really nice. Whenever this video ends up being up on my YouTube channel, it'll probably be in like December. So there will definitely be snow on the ground by then, but this is definitely great weather. I'll definitely take this weather over snow in November. I love it. I love this weather. It's so nice out. It's a good day to drive this. It hasn't rained. So hopefully next year we will have some more Fiero content and some more Cobalt content for sure, or more car content in general. And then obviously this winter I'll be doing some content with the truck, and I actually need to make another update video on the truck because the one that you guys have watched, which just came out a few days ago right now when I'm filming this video, but by the time this video actually comes out on my YouTube channel, it'll have been from like probably a month or over a month since that video came out, and I've had to do some work to the truck, so it's definitely going to be interesting. I want to do some videos with the truck. If we get some kind of snowstorm, I'd really like to take it out in the snow. Back this way. Just takes me a second to get used to driving this again. And the Cobalt's been put away for like 3 weeks, but the clutch is just so much different compared to this car versus the Cobalt. It's like, I don't know if it's heavier. I don't know how to describe it. It just has, or maybe it's not really heavier, it just has a different release point almost. Like on this one, you have to let the pedal nearly all the way out. It's like, when is it gonna release? Whereas the Cobalt, it's a quicker release point. There was a car coming, so I had to get up to speed a little bit quicker. this thing really, I really like how it handles in the turns. It handles so well in the turns. Like, it just hugs the road like it's on, like it's a go-kart, like it's on rails. Even though it's old. And the Cobalt is different. I don't know that the Cobalt has the same feeling in the corners as the Fiero does, just because different center of gravity and different, you know, one's rear wheel drive, one's front wheel drive. I will say the Cobalt, the nice thing with the Cobalt being with 5 gears and more horsepower by a considerable amount is there's a lot more like room, or like there's a lot more power band to get through the corner. Like in this, I'm in 4th gear, and I mean, I don't know, you can't really shift into another gear, so you get through the corner and you got to let off because it's already up at 3 grand. They really should have made this with, they never should have made a Fiero that wasn't a 5-speed. They should have all been 5 speeds. There shouldn't have been any 4-speed Fieros. They should have all been 5 speeds. Because I don't know, 4 speeds, I mean, that was back then in the 80s. 5 speeds now, I don't know, now there's like 8 speeds. But anyway, that's gonna be the end of my video. We're gonna hit this one last corner here. Hope you guys like it. I'll make sure I get a nice looking thumbnail, and be sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, comment if you want to see more Fiero footage, comment if you want to see more Cobalt footage, comment if you want to see more truck footage, and be sure to check out all my other videos, and follow me on Instagram at ToddleyProductions on Instagram. Let me know if you like this kind of video where I wear the, I don't know if you can see in the mirror, but I have the head mount on. I tried it with the chesty and it was too low. You just were looking at the steering wheel. So I went with the head mount. I'm a little too tall for this car with the head mount, but we made it work. So anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.
Yeah, yeah.